Stop guessing and start knowing. Discover how AI is revolutionizing affiliate marketing forever. Artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword anymore, it's a game changer for affiliate marketers. With AI, you can analyze heaps of data to predict consumer behavior and tailor your campaigns with laser precision. Imagine reaching your ideal audience at the perfect moment with the perfect message. AI crunches data to reveal trends and buying patterns, letting you craft personalized experiences that boost engagement and conversions. And it doesn't stop there. AI tools optimize your campaigns in real time, from A/B testing ads to tweaking bidding strategies, ensuring you get the best bang for your buck. Looking ahead, predictive analytics powered by AI will be your crystal ball, forecasting trends and anticipating consumer needs. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Integrate AI into your marketing strategy today and stay ahead in this ever-changing digital landscape. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cutting-edge insights.